Tired of complicated setups and extra hardware just to print receipt? Simplify your checkout process with Odoo POS Print Direct. This all-in-one solution lets you print receipts directly from your Odoo POS. No extra tools, no hassle. Save your time, reduce errors, and enjoy fast, smooth checkout process. Compatible with top thermal printers like Eltron, Epson, and Star. It's designed to enhance efficiency and customer experience. Now let's see it in action. But before that, make sure to subscribe to our channel and tap the notification bell to stay updated with the latest content. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore a number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's move back to our video. Now let's have a look into our workflow. As you can see, I have already logged in. So we'll check the configuration first. For that, navigate towards the point of sale and click on configuration. There we have the option of settings. By scrolling down, you can see we have the option of connected devices. Here we have to connect the device. Click the checkbox of use direct print, and here we have to add the printers. For receipt printer, you have to add the Epson printer. Invoice operation, you need to select print from printer, and invoice printer, you need to add the printer for that. Now once done with the configuration, you need to save it. There you also have to check for which shop you have done the configuration. Now let's log into this shop. Again, moving back to POS and clicking on this shop for continue selling. There we have to purchase product. And now if you want to print the invoice as well, for that you need to select the customer and then click on payment. Choose the payment method. For printing the invoice, check this box and click on validate. You can see as soon as I have clicked on validate, the printer have printed the invoice. Now for printing the receipt, you need to click on this print full receipt. Clicking on print full receipt, the printer have printed the receipt as well. Now in case you need to print any of the existing orders, you can also do that. For that, navigate towards the orders from there and click on all active orders, then choose paid. There you can see the list of the orders are there. You can print the invoice or the receipt of any of the order you want to, choosing the order and clicking on print receipt. You can see I just have clicked on print receipt and the printer have printed the receipt again for this order. And now again for the invoice part, just click on invoice. You need to select the customer for that and click on invoice again. Clicking on reprint invoice, the printer have printed the invoice again. Now let me show you how you can do the same process with iPad. As you can see, I'm having an iPad. We'll navigate towards the POS from there and click on continue selling of the shop on which we did the configuration for. And now if in case you want to purchase the product, you can also purchase the product and add the customer and click on payment. Now choose the payment method and click on validate. You can see as soon as I have given the command from my iPad, the printer have printed the invoice. Now in case you want to print the receipt, just tap on this print full receipt. And there we have the receipt. Now if you want to reprint the invoice, you can also do that from your iPad as well by going to orders and clicking on paid. There we have the orders which are existing, and by just choosing any of the order and clicking on print receipt and invoices, You can print the receipt and the invoices again from your iPad. Now let's check how you can use your Odoo POS Kitchen using your iPad. Moving towards the point of sale, there we have the option of restaurant. As you can see, tap on the edit option. From there you need to do the configuration. There we have the option of use direct print. You need to select the receipt printer and then invoice operation, invoice printer as per your requirement. And then you have to save it. As I have already added the configuration, so we'll save it again. And tapping on continue selling. Here we have to choose the table. Just tap any of the table and choose your product or food you want to order. Now click on payment. Choose the payment method and click on validate. As soon as I have tapped on the validate, the printer have printed the receipt for my order. So this is how you can also manage your Odoo POS Kitchen from your iPad. Now let me show you how you can print the invoices or the receipt using your iOS device or any of your devices. As you can see, I'm having an iOS device. So we'll navigate towards the all apps and click on point of sale. Now tapping on continue selling. We'll add the products. For purchase and click on pay. There you need to choose the customer and check the invoice part. Choose the payment method and click on validate. Clicking on validate, as soon as I have given the command from my device, the printer have printed the invoice. Now if I want to print the full receipt, we'll just tap on this print full receipt from my iOS device and the printer have printed the receipt as well. So like the same way, you can also print the receipt and the invoices using your any of the devices. Also, our Odoo POS Print Direct is dependent on Odoo Print Direct module, which provides all-in-one print solution. You can check the video in the I button. Take your retail business to the next level with Odoo POS Print Direct for a smoother, faster checkout experience. If you found it insightful, do press the like button and share your views in the comment section below. If you have any questions, reach us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. See you all in the next one. Till then, thanks for watching. Stay tuned.